Hello explorers, and welcome to this week's episode of the Mozambique series. And today we are exploring all the restaurants on the north side of the Bilene Lagoon. So today we are starting off with Villa Nabanga, more famously known as Babalaria, and the plan is to eat something, drink something, and just have a chill day in Bilene. Let's show you this place with a coconut.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high.
Babalaria is an awesome place to visit. They have good food, amazing vibes and friendly staff. This is one of the only places where you can enjoy an island vibe coconut while having your toes in the beach sand. On the screen you will see some menus to give you an idea of the cost of food and drinks. Just keep in mind the prices are in the local currency Mets.
And welcome to stop number 2, Just in Time Bar and Restaurant. Just in Time has the most beautiful sunsets. You have to try it with a Deutsch M.
I got an appetite, let's bake ourselves a treat. What you've been mixing, serve it up the way you please. I love the way you shake, you stir, you heat, you squeeze. So thick, push up and butter me.
Just in Time has this awesome open beach in front of it with a volleyball net so you can enjoy some games with your friends. There's also a few swings for the ladies to take some sunset selfies for the gram.
Baby, shade up, we can cook up, we can stir up when we hook up, just you and me. With that cream, with that, preheat this oven up like 5,000 degrees. It's almost ready, we've been craving this all week. Baby, you want it, I got it. I'm hooked on you like phonics. Gotta be honest, you're on it, and this ain't no time to be modest.
Friday nights is for the locals to come have a braai. For a small fee of 150 Mets you can get mouth-watering pap and sheba. They supply the fire so you can braai your own meat and just mingle with everyone.
Pour that sweet on me, baby, shade up. We can cook up, we can stir up when we hook up, just you and me.
Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body.
When you visit Flip Flop Bar, remember to bring an old pair of flip-flops so you can nail them to the poles to keep the tradition going.
Losing all my focus, I can't even control it. You know your lips are golden, baby, get me high. Touching me like lightning, yeah, keeping it exciting. You know exactly what to do to blow my mind. You're from another planet, I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed.
Restaurant number 3, Flip Flop Bar. They said they have the most amazing Prego steak and the rolls. Let's go and check it out.
Jump around your body, boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. This bed is out of space, just keep
Order yourself the best in town Prego roll and chips. It's mouth-watering. Check out this menu to see what else they have to offer.
Leave the sky, the way you made me feel alive. I was in the dark and baby, you're the light.
Restaurant number 4. Most delicious food, best sunset, and the most awesome dog in Mozambique. Casa Lagoa. Let's go.
You like, we're dancing in moonlight. Wanna waste our time, wanna waste our time in the moonlight.
All the restaurants we visited in this episode has good value for money when it comes to food and drinks.
Wanna waste our time in the moonlight. Got me up all night, got me up all night in the moonlight.
Casa Lagoa has this massive pool you can cool off in with your favorite drink in hand, and to make it even better, all of the latest hits are playing.
No, I can't deny the way you pull it.
Just a disclaimer, it has come to our attention that Casa Lagoa has new owners, so we can't promise you will have the same experience when you go, but we sure hope you do. If you do go after seeing this video, please comment below what your experience was with the new management.
We're dancing in moonlight. Look at what you did, I'm slipping on it. Yeah, I'm all in, I must admit it. Moonlight.
In our opinion, Casa Lagoa definitely has the best crayfish in town.
Thank you so much for joining us in this video. We are stuffed and feel like puppies with full tummies and just wants to nap. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Make sure you are subscribed with the notification bell on, because in the next episode we are taking the road less traveled to visit Shai Shai. We hope to see you there, and remember, explore more. Bye!